everyone. We are talking about our life skill, how to go shopping. One of the tips that we have is when you go shopping. If you go shopping in the evening or early morning, it is less busy. So those are good times to go. Also, you want to try and avoid the first of the month and Fridays, because a lot of times people are getting their money at that time, and so it is much busier.
Different stores have different methods of savings and price comparisons, so it's a good idea to compare prices from various sources, especially if you're purchasing a lot of items, for instance, for a party or open house. Convenience stores are more expensive. You're paying extra for that convenience of location and special hours. Stores also put items by the register for those impulse buys, especially if you're hungry or thirsty. And also knowing where items are so you can get into the store, get what you need, and get out. That also saves you time and money. You want to put your items of refrigeration all together with your freezer items to keep these cool.
Hey everyone, we're shopping, and guess what? I have to get a planner. So I looked online and it showed me all my choices, and I picked this one. I figured it was very appropriate. So looking online helped me save time by knowing what one I wanted when I came in here. Alright, if you're getting something heavy, you want to make sure that you put that in your cart before you put the lighter things.
Whenever shopping at the store, it is a good idea to have your list ready so that way you don't forget things that you need for recipes and things that you're shopping for. When shopping for fruit, it's a good idea to check them over and keep them separate from other chemicals in your cart. Sometimes, because of diet restrictions, you need to look at the labels for that information. While looking at the labels, you can also check the expiration date on when to use the items by. Know before you enter the store how you are paying for the items, cash, debit, or credit. Some stores charge additional fees for using credit cards, so you want to be prepared when you go shopping, making sure that you get all the items you need and also have a way to pay for the items that you are purchasing. Remember to stock your cart by things that are heaviest at the bottom and putting your breakable items at the top so you don't have damaged items before you actually get them ready to take home. Anything you can do to save extra money. When bagging, check out the heaviest things first to put at the bottom of the cart. When checking out, you want to make sure that if you do bring coupons, that you looked to make sure that the expiration date is good and you have all the quantities you need to qualify for the discount. When you are bringing your cart back to your car, kind of go over your list and make sure that you got all the items that you went to the store to get, because you don't want to get all the way home and realize you forgot something.
So when I was bagging, I made sure that I put my bananas in a separate bag. Then I put the fabric softener sheets because you don't want the chemicals to go into your fresh foods. So this isn't going to harm the planner, so it was put in a separate bag. And make sure that you put your heaviest items in so they don't slide. And separate them out if there's anything that's breakable. You always want to put the breakable things up on top.
Hello everyone, my name is Brandon and I'm with the Kingsville Public Library. I'm the new digital literacy trainer, and in this week's episode of Life Skills, I'd like to introduce you to an app called Flip. This application is an app that allows you to save shopping lists view coupons from your favorite stores, and browse their catalogs as well, right from the comfort of your phone and your home. This app is 100% free. So once you download it, you'll be prompted to sign in, and you can sign in or you can skip the process for the moment. But what app allows you to do is view a whole bunch of items from your favorite stores, such as Walmart, and it allows you to save items for later to see how the price fluctuates over time. It finds the best deals and coupons that you can apply right to your order, right when you're in Walmart, and apply right as you're going to checkout, which is quite amazing. And then one of the final things you can do with it is go and have your shopping list. You can go save items such as your shopping list. Say you need potato chips, burgers, etc., etc. You save it to your shopping list, and then it finds the best coupons for you to use at checkout. Great, easy, simple application for finding exactly what you need and saving you money in the long run. Over time, for your first order, it might not be a lot. You might only get a little bit of like money back. You might only get say like 10 cents off with a coupon. Well, every time you do that, you're saving money. And in the end, it could save you a lot of money if you use it correctly. I highly recommend this app for organizing all of your items that you need at your local stores. It's a great free open application that is very useful, and I highly recommend it. If you have any questions on setting it up, feel free to schedule an appointment with me, and I can help you get signed in and get started with this awesome application. Thank you so much, and have a great day.
If you have time, it's sometimes a good idea to check the clearance aisle because there might be things that you're looking for that have already been marked down. So as long as you have the time, the clearance aisle is definitely an aisle to check out. Buying things in season, it's a good time to check out local farm markets and get items that are very, very fresh and ready for your table. Well, I hope you learned some tips today on your shopping experiences, and when you go shopping, you'll think twice about a couple of these ideas, and hopefully they help you out. Happy shopping, everyone. Bye.